Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Linksys app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. Linksys is a network management app designed to help users set up, monitor, and control their Linksys routers and mesh Wi-Fi systems. With features like remote access, parental controls, guest network setup, and device prioritization, it provides users with full control over their home Wi-Fi from anywhere. The app also offers speed testing, notifications for unusual activity, and firmware updates with a single tap. Now let's talk about how it actually performs. The interface is modern, intuitive, and easy to navigate. Setting up a new router or mesh system is fast, with step-by-step guidance provided by the app. Users find the device list useful for identifying connected devices and applying restrictions or limits. The ability to control the network remotely and create separate guest access points is appreciated by most users. However, there are some drawbacks. Some users experience delays in device updates or inaccurate device statuses. The app may also occasionally lose connection with the router, requiring a restart. Advanced features like network prioritization or port forwarding might feel limited for tech-savvy users looking for more customization. If you've been enjoying this video so far, don't forget to drop a like, it helps a lot. In summary, Linksys is a solid app for managing your home Wi-Fi network, especially for those using Linksys Mesh or smart routers. It's user-friendly, helpful for quick control and monitoring, and works well for most households. While not perfect, its features cover all the essentials for everyday network management. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.